Well, hello everyone. I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're going to be learning Songbird from the great Fleetwood Mac album Rumors. And I have taught every lesson on that album. It's on the website with all my sheets and everything. So maybe you can learn the whole album. Wouldn't that be great? And I have done this particular one in the past, but I wanted to redo it because I want to do it better, and with the new technology I have with the monitor and everything. So it's on the site, but I left the old one up there, so if you're attached to the old one, it's there. So let's hear a little bit of what we're doing here. So very Joni Mitchell sounding, and you can't go wrong, being influenced by her. But still, it's Christine McVeigh's her sound. It's her, it sounds like her. It's her kind of music. So it's really neat. If you like Joni Mitchell, I think you'll like this. If you like the Fleetwood Mac, you'll love this. So we're about to get started with the part one lesson here, but I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. I specialize in teaching people how to play their favorite songs without reading music. Music reading is a great skill to have, but for some people it's a roadblock. For some people they just can't do it. They don't want to do it. It's frustrating, and it's keeping them from playing the stuff they want to play, especially when you go buy sheet music from the store and it sounds nothing like the album. I want to sound like the album. I want you to feel like you're playing along with the album, and you can be, with the guys on stage, with the guys and girls on stage and playing. So this is really cool. And I love Christine's style of playing because she's got some boogie woogie, some of her songs in, wait, that's the wrong song. There we go. She has some, blues and boogie woogie in her, as well as this style of playing. So it's really fun to do. So let's get to the part one. Let's get to the board I've been talking about. So you can see I have letters. We talk about chords. I demonstrate rhythms, and it's just a different way to learn it. It's worked for millions of people. All right, so we have right here. So we start in the key of F here, and I notate every single note. I don't take any shortcuts. She plays it all the way through, and we do it, all the way. So F, C, F, 5, 2, 1. That's called an octave and a fifth. There's the octave, the F. The C is the fifth that's in the middle. 5, 2, 1. When you play that top F with your thumb, we're going to go C, F, A up high. Here's middle C, so we're way up here. And then B flat, D, G with 1, 2, 5. That's a G minor chord. Then the B flat's already there on your thumb. So 1 and 2 and. Just make sure you pedal right there, okay? I a lot of times get on all of you guys for not pedaling right, and you probably go, "Oh, Shawn, be quiet about the pedaling." But I realize that you need to hear it again and again and again because you'll keep doing it. Because I've taught actual people for so many years, I know that that's how it works. I got to keep reminding you, change your pedal, listen, because we tend to hear sometimes what we want to hear, especially when we're the ones that are playing. Okay, so watch your pedal there. Pedal. Okay, it's not good enough just to pedal every measure because you need to pedal every chord change. So there are the chord changes. You pedal here, pedal there. So C, G, C in the left. Right hand is G, C, E. Then F, B flat, D. So 1 and 2 and 3. So play that C again on your thumb. The right hand does F, B flat, D again. I'm going to use 1, 2, 4, so I have my fifth finger for the E. So again from right here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I learned one measure. I learned the second measure. Now I'm going to put them together. Okay, so next measure is not so easy. So this is cool. Country third is what I call this. And I call it a country third because there's a third and it sounds country. Because you... Alright, so if you follow my stuff, we do this all the time. G and C, flip the 3 with the A for the A. Left hand on an F. And then G, F, C. 3, 2, 1. So after you play this, you flip it, you got to go. And on the country third, what's important is that you don't play the A too loudly. It's just down, like that. And then 3 on the G. G, F, C, F. Okay? If you can play that much, I would say you probably can play the rest of the song. None of it is really harder than that. And I'm trying to make it sound exactly like the thing. I'm listening to every note, and I'm not perfect, but I get close to it, and I think you'll really enjoy my arrangement. Well, not my arrangement, my transcription. I didn't arrange it; she did. And a neat thing about this arrangement that she did is that I think they had her in a big hall on the grand piano. And she was singing along just to get the piano part because they were going to record the vocals later. But if you know anything about recording and singing, you really do your best if you sing while you're playing. And that happened with her. So it was never as good when she tried to sing later with the piano track. But they actually had a track of her singing because they had recorded it. So they used her just kind of mock singing while she was playing in the concert hall. And that's what they used, because that we're most natural when we're singer-songwriter type deal, when we're playing, singing along with our playing. It's most natural that way. So anyway, it's pretty cool. So we start with chords: F chord, G minor, and then this is a C chord. This is a B flat chord on top of the C. Then we have the little flip there. Okay? And I say Joni Mitchell because I feel like she influenced everyone, but I hear Joni in not only in the way Christine does the piano, but also in her little melismas that she does when she sings. Adding those extra notes to syllables. But it's not so much to where you say, oh, she's trying to be Joni Mitchell. No way. I just hear the influence of it. We're all influenced by everything. Even Joni, I would like to hear her influences. There we go. Hope you guys enjoy this part 1 lesson. Like I said, I do the whole album on the website with all the sheets. You can, learn the whole thing. In fact, if somebody does, I'd like to know about it because that would be cool. I'm actually doing it myself as I'm learning these songs and doing the podcast for each lesson. Me and my wife do a podcast. So that's been a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the website. Talk to you later.